Morning guys, we are on our way to Masbate, Ticao Island, Masbate, and we're just waiting for our Uber ride. This is Angeles. At Angeles.
I'm trying out.
First time niyang I mean, pala first time. It's
beginner ako dito.
Hey, we're on our way. We're on our way. Look at that excited kid.
Let's do this.
Yeah. Hey. Excited. Ayun ang pinaka-excited. Yun. Yung pinaka-excited. Hey everyone! Kompleto na ang tropa. Tropa?
Ano?
Tropa! Another life.
Troop! Walang life! Maligaya
Go
ba
to
yun?
Legazpi! We're in Legazpi.
We are pleased to announce that we have just landed 15 minutes ahead of our scheduled arrival time.
We're 15
On
minutes
behalf of
early.
your flight.
Welcome to Legazpi! Paano?
Akala ko nung ginagawa nito.
It's moment of
Hello, Trisha. Good morning. So, since walang kasiguruhan ang ating kakainan, ayan, habang hinihintay si Kaka, yung order na ako na mabilis na tapsilog at kakainin ko na mabilis. Gaspi would like to welcome the Dental Diva, Yere!
Ay, nako!
Puta naman.
Ayan, tubig nyo kayo dito!
So guys, ito ang aming service for today. Ito ang tinatawag na JVK Van Official.
Let's vote!
Guys, we're on the van and hiwalay. We're on the van. we're in the van. So saan tayo pupunta, Anjo?
Pulan Port.
We're going to Pulan. And we'll take a boat ride from there. Ito na kami sa pier and it's gonna be a 2-hour boat ride kasi tahimik naman daw yung dagat.
Hello po. Si Crystal, syempre si Kakay, si Atsi Malu, at saka si Kian.
Si Aramina po.
Wala ako ate.
Armina kanina kay Aramina. Ako yung Aramina. Mas payat po ako kay Aramina. Si Jen. Arami siya sa akin. Ako po yung wife ni TJ. Nandun saan nagpapasweldo kasi nasa kasa. Si TJ po. Nasa kasa eh.
Ano to?
Ay, sweldo kasi. May kasa po dyan. Kasi puro babae. Kasa.
Wala.
Dagat!
Dagat. Hello, dagat.
Dagat! Ay, malalim na dito. Pinanikan ko lang. Mas wala yung isipan ko. Hindi mahapit kasi.
Ay, mamaya!
Hey guys, so after almost 2 hours of boat ride, andito na tayo. That's Ticao Island. As you can see, mahaba siya. And yeah, siguro mga 10 or 15 more minutes we're gonna land. Ito si Anjo, ang ating
Hey.
master of the island.
Hello.
Ano sabi mo tungkol dito sa island of Ticao?
So, Ticao Island is not yet that commercialized. Actually, Isa pala talaga yung resort dito sa Ticao Island, and it's at the back of this part.
Pupuntahan ba natin yun?
Hindi natin siya mapupuntahan kasi malayo siya, but dun sa place namin, it's this whole coast, I think.
Wow!
Yes!
We will be doing practically island living.
Yeah.
Problema lang, walang CR. So, caveman caveman style. Si Joshua, ano feel mo excited ka na ba, Brad?
Excited na ako, 15 minutes, 30 minutes.
Yeah. Feelings? Ayaw ma-develop? Yes, we're almost here! We're so excited! Woo! Hey, we're here in Ticao Island sa Hacienda Batuan. It's Batuan, hindi Batugan. Okay? Bawal ang tamad. Ang ganda ng tubig, pero it's summertime and it's jellyfish season, so hindi kami pwede makaswim dito ngayon. Pero yung mapupuntahan namin tomorrow, pwede. Pero ngayon, it's time to i-explore lang namin ang casa dito sa Hacienda Batuan. And yeah, we're gonna be chilling and relaxing tonight.
Crystal May Herrero.
Ganda.
Number 5.
Here, and there's a boat. Pictorial tayo later. Ayan, we're finally moving. So kanina they were making plans about yung mga gagawin namin bukas, and pinag-uusapan pa lang nila. Sobrang nakaka-excite na. So we're gonna be visiting mga private islands and possibly cross our fingers mangrove. So na ba yung pagka-biologist in me? So adventure! Ayan, sakay tayo dito sa tractor!
Tatlo lang pwede sumakay dito.
Mga KJ dun sumakay! KJ!
Ay, gusto ko ganyan, Anjo. Yung pati yung bahay. Hindi na probinsya.
Come to the casa. So this is where we're gonna be staying for the next 5 days. It's beautiful.
Crystal din.
Si Kuya, natatakot din.
Mamayang gabi.
Tara guys!
Please remove your footwear.
Show them the sign with the date.
Wow, can you see the sign? It says November 1. That's
1916.
That's also his name. So
The house was completed, the primary house was completed in 1916.
Wow.
That's what the sign says. And this is where drunk people sleep. Ask me.
Aski! Saka natulog na singka.
May video pa yan eh.
Ang
Pwede
rooms
mo
pala
pili.
dito and dito. Yes. And asan sila?
Hi!
Kami road.
saan tayo?
Yung pala, ito pala yung rooms. Hindi gagamitin yung baba.
This is gonna be our room. Actually 2 rooms kami, pero dito kami. Most of the boys will be staying here. And ayan. Kainan na daw.
I had a bottle the last time we used
Oh yeah.
So you're waiting for a harvest of coconut vinegar.
Yeah.
I love vinegar.
Yes.
Different kinds of vinegars. Tsaka hot sauce.
So, gusto nyo kumain?
Oh,
Lunch. Come on.
sige. Ang restaurant. So later, explore ko pa yung casa. This is, wow! Thank you for the preparation of lunch for us. So restroom sa labas, medyo traditional. And you can see, wood lang yung yung flooring. Tapos may space kita hanggang sa silong or baba. Ay, nagbo-vlog pala po ako.
Sure.
And so look, they grow their own
These are my legal plants. We have nothing illegal here. Yes. It's all legal plants, really.
Take note. So ayan, nice. So they grow their own herbs.
Herbs, vegetables. These are my beefsteak tomatoes. And there's a tiny beefsteak tomato.
Ayan, go.
Wow.
Si Kuya TJ nagpapatubo talaga.
These are all legal, let me say again.
Ang ganda dito guys. So from the balcony, ayan nakita yung sea.
And you can see Mayon, but not today.
Not today. Pag morning
These
daw,
are only cigarettes I'm smoking. You can read the label.
Ay. Welcome drinks, buko and banana cue. Pero mag-lunch muna daw kami. So, woo! Lunch time. Hey, we're having lunch. So thank you sa aming host.
Thank you sa masarap na.
TJ and of course si Andrew and the Resurrection family. We're good. Sabi ni
Ayan ka, Joshua.
Sir TJ siya yung humuli nito with his bare hands.
Oh.
And we believe him.
Mabilis lang.
Kapag lasa.
Nakakain ka naman, di ba? Andyo, tayo ka nga ulit.
Kakain ng ulam.
Diba? Ulam ka na. Kaya kanin na lang best. Protein lang.
Pero okay lang.
Let's see. Ayan pa, ayan pa. Tayo ka nga ulit. Bakit nakita doon eh?
Biglang wala nagsalita. Busog na busog kami. Ano masasabi niyo sa ating lunch?
Sarap!
Thank you po.
Super!
Sarap ng ulam ni Kaka eh.
Thank
Tayo
you
nga,
po.
diba?
Bigla ni Coco Martin. Yummy.
O si Josh nakikipaglaro sa mga bata sa baba. Oh! Hey guys, I'd like you to meet our dinner later. Which is called a salmingan, and just to give you an idea kung gaano siya kalaki.
Wala ba yan?
Ay, aba nag-boost ba?
Sali ako, sali. Kita mo yung sa ilalim.
This is called a salmingan in ating dinner tonight. Wow! So nakasulog ako and pag-gising, diretsong dinner time! So what we're having is a special liqueur nilang. Ano ulit tawag dito, pre? Binakol. Binakol na manok. That's like chicken tinola with coconut.
Yeah.
And meron tayong crustaceans.
Ano ka ba? Chef ka ba?
Which are fancy name for crabs. Yeah, so crab. Tapos may tutorial pa from Kakay. First, you ano daw, open like this and then carapace. Carapace. So biology.
May sa akin ang laki eh.
Tapos ito, yun yung lungs niya. Or gills. Dati kinakain ko yan kaya na-trauma ako. Hindi pala kinakain. Yan ang aftermath. Grabe. Busog na naman kami. Ubus na naman. Busog na naman.
Ayusin daw yung kama.
Si Josh, takot na takot. Hi guys! Wow, look at that! It's a gecko! So apparently, madami dito sa ito na gecko. Nasa video mukha siyang maliit, but actually, it's bigger than our hand. Alright, so welcome to our first night here, and we decided to have bonding, chill, little drinks, and meron shisha.
The apple of our eye.
Shisha sa shisho.
Patry niyo si Miss Manu.
Sige, Kakay, sabihin mo yung tongue twister ng ano.
Yun na lang eh. Tatlo na lang.
Shisha.
Ay wait, kung tatlo yun,
Shisha
sabay
by
isa
the
pa dapat
seashore.
yan. Ilan yung tip na binigay? Dalawa lang. Ay, kakay ano? Ayun, nakikakay isa.
Nashila siya.
Sobra kayo sa shisha mo, alam mo. Sumakit yung baga mo, wala ka nang magagawa siya. Sobra ka, Doki.
Wala dito.
Let's check out.